Okay, so apologies are in order for the delay. I've been off YouTube for a while, but I'm back. So here's new, fresh content for your head talk. Today is quite a busy one, honestly. Quite a busy one today. We've got 3 major tasks on the itinerary. Number 1, need to send out a few emails for my father's house. Essentially, message some companies in the local area. For those of you who don't know, we run a temporary accommodation. Essentially, it's an Airbnb business. Usually the platforms are enough to advertise. However, sometimes they're not. In the instances where slow season, we need to increase the outreach. So we're going to send out some emails to companies in the local area. One of the Airbnbs is in 10 minutes away from London Excel Exhibition Centre. So you've got that whole building. You've got Newham Hospital not far, London City Airport. They may have a lot of staff who are coming in the area temporarily, need a place to stay. You've got a large 5-bedroom family home that they can utilize for the duration of their stay. So yeah, a couple emails to send out. Second thing we need to do is to compile a list of profitable rent-to-rent deals that we can package and sell off essentially as deals. My father's house, it has 2 major components to it. Number 1, obviously the rent-to-rent business. We acquire properties for ourselves, occupy them with guests and working professionals. And then the second side of things, to generate cash flow and capital, we compile a list, a table where we can send to other rent-to-rent investors, people who are either starting out for the first time, seeking out their first property. That's the second thing we need to do. Number 3, I think let's just take those 2 as it is now. Those are going to take up a good 3 hours of my day. So when we knock those out, then I'll just probably catch you lot again later on at some point in the day. So we back. So me and bro stepping out real quick, going to see our manufacturers real quick. As mentioned earlier on, he wants to see if they have any good blanks in the store today. For those of you who don't know what blanks are, in the clothing brand space, blanks are items of clothing that don't have any branding or logo in, no tags, and you can just purchase those as a blank canvas, hence the name, and you can design the garment however you like. So you can take a plain hoodie, no badge, no labels, no woven tag inside, and you can put your own label to it, making it unique to you and your brand. So yeah, we're just taking a look, as I said, mainly window shopping today, so we can ascertain what sort of materials we want for our upcoming pieces. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment your video ideas for more content to come. Okay, let's get back to the video.
Okay, yeah. So we're almost there. I'm gonna try my best to be in and out. She's just going to see materials, mainly materials. But they can also do from scratch. So this costs more. So I'm trying to gather my own measurements that I'd want to use and that. But yeah, trying to be in and out. It's good to be getting back into flow state. Gonna see how long it takes to fully get back into flow state, but
is that fun, right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is it all the way upstairs? First floor. Straight. Cheers, man. Thank you. Hi, GSM. Tell me, that hoodie could probably sit up on its own, bro.
Fit looks good.
Yeah, I know the measurement, the fitting on the body.
That's fair, isn't it?
Yeah, this is that brand, man. I'm telling you, let me put you on. If you're a clothing brand owner, aspiring clothing brand, a manufacturer is the backbone of your business. If you don't have a good manufacturer or any at all, yeah, you're done for. These men are just embarking close by. If you live in London, I'm telling you,
East London.
East London.
Always when we're traveling from north.
Specific. Then again, the closest manufacturer to them is in Pakistan or China, bro. So if you're willing to travel a bit, an hour and a half, depending on where you are else in London, I'm telling you, bro, to get everything you want, heat printed, DTF, DTG, embroidery, 3D embroidery.
Yeah, cool. So mainly just came to have a look at materials. I've seen a couple pieces that I definitely want to come back for. Yeah. I have seen something that I'm interested in. This, whatever. Hold on. Oh yeah, there it is. Whatever this is, I'm still getting used to this DJI, by the way. So just allow me.
Oh my god, what is that?
Whatever this is, it's fire. I'm gonna be back for this.
You're just joining us. We're currently at our manufacturers trying to take a look around some of the pieces. It was started off as a blank window shopping, and then I realized they actually do cut and sew. Cut and sew, for those of you who know me, creating this item from scratch. So ideas are flowing as it is, but yeah, I was taking a look at some of the equipment they've got. Heavy duty machinery, not for chilling, not for children at all. Yo, I find these guys are serious, man. If you are a clothing brand owner as well, you probably only know about Pakistan manufacturers, China. But I'm telling you, these lot are just embarking. Can you imagine? If you're in London, East London specifically, you're not convenient at this. Serious. Yeah. Heading home now. Severe traffic. Probably the worst time to try and catch a bus. I ain't running now. Apartments for sale. Listen, I'm telling you, me and my brothers.
We're doing everything, bro.
Huh? We're doing everything.
We're doing absolutely everything.
Don't be surprised. Where? Yeah, I think these are hotels. But bro, apartments for sale. What do you mean by that? Man. Bro, I'm telling you. Give us like 5-10 years. You see us in like 10 different industries, 30 or 40 different markets. Not only are we, this is why there's not just one description for us. We're serial entrepreneurs. It's not, oh, I'm a clothing brand owner, we're Airbnb hosts. No, we're everything. We do it all. Lord of God. We have now made it to the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you. Today was fun, I must say. I was able to send out crucial emails and also check in with our manufacturer. I certainly needed to get out of the house. It took me so much time editing this video, so please show appreciation by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and pressing the bell icon to know when I post the next video. So, enjoy the scenic views of London in the evening.